Hey guys, CC Sportcast here, and today I've literally just got out the front door as I'm literally heading across the road to Sainsbury's, where I'm meeting up with my friend Richard, who's got literally just picked up a Polo only like 2 weeks ago. No, 1994 Polo. Obviously I said, do you want to do a shoot? And he was like, yeah, no, that's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go shoot that now. So let's just see how it is. So this is the car. Tiny engine, there's a lot of room in there, but it's very clean, carburettor as well, lovely. Average battery, standard, very clean. Come around here, it's got banded steelies, which look pretty decent, gives it the retro look, and this is all a sticker, this Polo sticker, and I think it actually really looks amazing. I think it sort of sets the car off. Cherry bomb back box. It does pop, as you would have heard, or as you will hear. Black badges. I don't know if they're standard, but so I think it's got Mark III Golf front bumper, and I think that's Mark III Golf back bumper, isn't it?
It's Mark IIF bumpers, and then it's Mark III Golf splitter.
Ah, nice. So yeah, it's pretty decent. So inside, it's very simplistic. Got a DAB radio in there by Pioneer, and if you can see back there, it's got two FLI speakers, one either side. But yeah, very simplistic. Pedals very small as well. It's only got 78,000 miles on it, which is nothing for a car this age. It's 1994, but yeah, very clean in here as well, very retro as well, which is what I like. Seats as well, very retro styling. With all like the stripes and all that. But yeah, so let's get these cinematic shots for you.
We got it from here, yo. John, but they not ready. Kush gang. Look. I'ma rap till an old man. Me and hoes don't hold hands. Hand in my pants in the mouth of my dick when I slow dance and I blow bands. Oh man. Give M's to my fam. Winning against me, you have no chance. I advance in the smoke plants, enhance my stance. Step on your whole colony like some ants. Look. I'm the champ and my flow trippy like a lava lamp. Kush gang the camp, I'm more dope than a bag with a stamp. Yeah, I'm amped, ADHD, this I go crazy. I rock the nation, someone tell Jay-Z. No one can blame me, my gun off safety. So, everyone just take 5 steps back. The masses couldn't master me. In rap, I got my master's degree. Massacre on anyone gassing me, or ain't passing me. Who's next to blow up Jeff Kush? Has to be. In 2 days, made your salary. Dick so good, got your girl burning all the calories. Allergic to bullshit, bitch, I got bad allergies. Look, hear me out. I got sauce, whoa. I'ma have to hit 'em with that real shit, whoa. I ain't talking nothing but that real shit, whoa. Look, tell 'em, I made bank, I'm not in your bracket. New watch on with the matching jacket. Shoe boxes, they keep on stacking. You talk money, that's a different accent. Every show, yeah, I got a packet. UPS, yeah, I got that package. Yo, girl, all in the DM, and she wanna get active. Yo, girl, in my DM, she wanna get active. Yo, girl, in my DM, she wanna get active. Yo, girl, in the DM, she wanna get active. Yo, girl, tryna hit me up. Damn, I think she heard my song in traffic. Yo, girl, in my DM, she wanna get active.
So then guys, that'll be the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I honestly love that car. 1994, 78,000 miles in immaculate condition, inside and out. But yeah, no, honestly such a cool car. Always looking for similar cars to shoot a video on. But yeah, I haven't really shot anything recently, but I've just realised how much fun it is and how much I enjoy doing it. So yeah, contact me on Instagram, which will be like here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll hope to see you next time. So yeah, thanks very much and goodbye.